So, guys, I belong to a country named India, and generally, parents in India is very strict towards a boy and a girl relationship. But at last, they understand our today's generation. But what if you live in such a family that your parents isolates you from the world by locked you in a room just because you make a relation with a person of your opposite gender? At this, movie starts. This film begins with a scene of a young girl named Sarah. Sarah wanted to go to the party at her friend's house, but Sarah's father does not allow her to go to the party. Sarah's father's name is Don. Sarah asks her mother that you have allowed me to go to the party. On it, Sarah's mother replies that no problem, not today, but you can go any other day. Due to it, Sarah becomes aggressive. She goes to her room. There we see the elder sister of Sarah. On the same night, Sarah goes to the party with her friend Christopher. Meanwhile, Sarah's mother goes to her room. Sarah's mother sees that Sarah was not in her room. She tells this to her husband, means Sarah's father. Hearing it, Sarah's father becomes aggressive. After spending the whole night with Christopher, the next morning, Sarah arrives home. There, Sarah's father gets furious and he scolds her a lot. Meanwhile, Sarah's mother also arrives there, and angry Sarah goes to her room while running. When Sarah was in her room, her mother and her sister come there. They were talking to each other. Sarah was telling them that after 3 months I will be of 18 years. I have a childhood friend and I will go to him. I will live with him and will enjoy my life a lot. Sarah's father hears these talks while standing outside. Then Sarah's father Don opens the secret room of the basement. After it, he waits for 3 months later, when Sarah will be of 18 years. Then directly we are shown the scene after 3 months. There we are shown Sarah. She was talking with Christopher on call. Sarah's sister was not at home. Her mother also goes to the market. Sarah and her father were alone at home. Don asks Sarah that I want to shift a box in the basement. Please help me to shift that box. Then they both take that box to the basement. Going there, Don opens the door of the secret room. Seeing it, Sarah gets shocked that there is a secret room. Then Don takes Sarah to that room. Don tries to trap Sarah. He locks her in that room and leaves from there. Sarah shouts for help, but Don does not feel pity for her. He ignores her. Then Sarah tries to open the lock with her hairpin. Due to it, the door could not open, but the light turns off after blinking. Due to it, the ventilation stops. After it, Sarah checks that what is inside that box, the box which Sarah and her father brought here. There were all the important things about Sarah that will Sarah needs for living here. Sarah asks for help through the ventilation window. Don sees that Sarah's voice is coming out. That's why he closes the ventilation window. That was a silent room. Due to it, no voices are coming out from that room. Sarah's mother was worried about her. She searches her a lot, but Don was relaxed as he does not care about Sarah. The next day, Sarah again tries to open the door of that room, but then it happens the same. The light blinks and turns off automatically. Then Don arrives there. Sarah tries to run from there while pushing him, but Sarah sees that the door of the basement was also closed. Then Don brings Sarah back into the room. He shows his anger towards Sarah. Don says to her that if you will obey me, I will release you from here. But Sarah does not obey him. Due to it, Don again becomes aggressive with her. He forces Sarah. After it, Sarah's condition gets worse. She vomits. Then after 1 week, the police were investigating to search Sarah. Don says that Sarah has gone somewhere far from us because she wanted to spend her life while separating from us. Sarah's mother says that she only used to say this, but she did not think to do this. The police officer says that we should wait for Sarah. Maybe she will contact us. On the other side, Sarah was sad about her father's action. She was upset. Then one day, to know about Sarah, Christopher comes to her home. There, Don tells Christopher that Sarah had run with her childhood friend. After it, 21 days passed. Sarah turned 18 years. Today was her birthday. So Don brings cakes and candles to Sarah. Don asks Sarah to blow off the candle. Sarah does the same. She was obeying Don. Because Don said her to obey me, I will release you soon from here. Don gives a costume to Sarah to wear. Then Don asks Sarah her one wish and he says I will fulfill it. On it, Sarah says that my wish is to release from here. I want to get out of this place. On it, Dawn says there is much time left for this. Sarah says that I want a clock and a TV. Here, Dawn again seduces Sarah. The next day, Dawn brings a clock and TV for Sarah. Then with the help of a food can, Sarah makes her weapon. She calls Dawn near her. But Dawn understands the intention of Sarah, that what she wants. Due to it, he beats Sarah, even he breaks her hand. Doing this, a year passed. We see that Sarah is pregnant. Sarah was in pain. Then Sarah delivers a baby girl. Dawn wasn't happy while seeing that the daughter of Sarah. After it, 4 years passed. Sarah's mother misses her a lot. Sarah was pregnant again. Dawn tells his wife that I am promoted. On which Sarah's mother says that we should hire an investigator who will search Sarah. On it, Dawn refuses and leaves from there. The TV that Dawn brings for her daughter and Sarah. Seeing it, they become happy. Because to avoid the boring time, what will be more good than TV? After some days, Sarah delivers a baby boy. One day, Sarah's daughter becomes sick because she was suffering from fever. Dawn brings medicine for her. On that day, Dawn and Sarah fights. Once again, Christopher comes to Sarah's home to know about her. There, Christopher meets Sarah's sister. Christopher tells everything to Sarah's sister, which was said by Dawn, that Sarah had run with her childhood friend. Sarah's sister says to Christopher that I feel like my father had hid Sarah somewhere. Sometimes I feel like Sarah herself gone far from us. Sarah once again become pregnant third time. Dawn and his wife argue about Sarah. Sarah's sister says to Dawn that you always show anger towards Sarah. Being upset, Sarah's mother goes from there. To make his wife agree, Dawn also goes behind her. The keys of the basement fall from his pocket. Sarah's sister picks those keys. She goes to the basement to check. There she sees a different kind of things. Seeing those things, Sarah's sister thinks that what are these things doing here? Meanwhile, Dawn also comes there. He sends Sarah's sister back from there. Sarah delivers her third baby. That was a baby boy. Sarah asks Dawn to take her third baby outside. Means take that baby to my mother and gives that baby to her. Hearing it, Dawn gets an idea. He places that baby outside his house secretly. Sarah's mother comes outside after listening to that baby's voice. There she finds a note written on a paper with that baby. There was written on it that, Mother, I am Sarah. This was my baby. My financial condition is not good. I cannot be brought him up. Take him with you. Then Sarah's mother takes that baby with her. Means she had adopted that baby. Here, Dawn finds another note. There was written on that note that father had imprisoned me in the basement. Seeing it, Dawn gets aggressive. To give punishment to Sarah, he again seduces Sarah. After it, we are shown the scene after some years. There we see that the daughter and son of Sarah have grown elder. One day, Dawn was watching Sarah's daughter badly. Sarah understands the bad intention of Dawn. She knew that now Dawn is watching her daughter for bad intentions. Sarah was worried about her daughter because her daughter was suffering from asthma. One day, Sarah sees that the roof was leaking. Sarah thinks that there is some raw floor. While breaking it, we can ask for help from someone. Sarah makes a hole there. She takes out the light from that hole at night. A man sees that light, but unfortunately, he tells this to Dawn. There is some light coming from a hole in your basement. Hearing it, Dawn gets aggressive with Sarah. That's why he goes and beats Sarah badly. He beats Sarah badly that her baby to be a miscarriage. Sarah's baby dies. Dawn buries her dead baby. Due to it, Sarah becomes sad. Sarah asks about her son from Dawn, which she gave to her mother. On it, Dawn tells that he will play in a tournament next month. On it, Sarah's son says that I also want to go outside to play. That boy says that when will we go outside? When will we play outside? Dawn says when the behavior of your mother will be good with me, then I will take you out from here. Then you can also go outside and can play. Sarah apologizes to Dawn that her kids talked about going outside. When he leaves both kids to become aggressive with Sarah, that what have we said that you apologized? Sarah says that I only want to protect you. Sarah was sad and she was missing Christopher because before coming here, she met with Christopher. She had spent a good time with Christopher. Both kids say sorry for the misbehavior. Sarah tells her kids the reality of Dawn. She tells them the truth. After hearing this, the kids were shocked. They were scared so badly that Sarah's daughter suffers from an asthma attack. Dawn was aggressive with Sarah because she told the truth to her kids. That's why he starts beating Sarah. But Sarah's son stopped Dawn from doing this. As a punishment, Dawn goes outside and turns off the light of the basement. It is shown after some time that Dawn has left his job, due to which his savings were finishing slowly. On it, Dawn's wife asks him that where is he spending his savings. Sarah breaks the ventilation. Meanwhile, Dawn receives a notice from the bank to leave the house because Dawn had not returned the insurance money to the bank. Then Dawn decides to kill Sarah and her kids because now he could not manage the whole system. He throws the smoke of his car through the ventilation path. But then Sarah's son, which she has given to her mother, arrives there. That's why Dawn stops the car. After many years, we see that Sarah's daughter again suffers from an asthma attack. Sarah says to Dawn that I want to take my daughter to the doctor for checkup. Dawn refuses for it, but Sarah requests for this. Then seeing Sarah's daughter's condition, Dawn agrees on this. Dawn also takes Sarah and her daughter with him. He asks her son to stay in the basement. When Sarah comes out of the basement, she remembers everything while seeing her house. Sarah's daughter was taken to the hospital. Her life was saved hardly. There was a lady doctor who asked Sarah to fill up a form. Now Sarah does not want to go in her that life again. That's why she throws water on the form. Then Dawn goes to bring another form. Getting a chance, Sarah comes to that lady doctor. Sarah hugs that lady doctor. Then Dawn also arrives there. Sarah says to that lady doctor, please help me. They think that maybe Sarah is in trouble. Sarah's luck was that there was also a police officer. That police officer catches Dawn. Then Dawn reveals everything. He also tells his reality. Sarah's son was also taken out of the basement. Seeing it, Sarah's mother was broken and shocked. After it, Dawn was imprisoned. Sarah was relieved to be able to go outside with her sister and mother. Her kids were also happy. After it, Christopher comes to meet Sarah. He was still unmarried. Sarah and Christopher go on a long drive. When they leave, this movie ends. Now, I will see you soon in the next video with the explanation of some awesome movies. Till then, bye-bye.